Says current laws around asylum seekers aren't working. Donald Trump says he doesn't now intend to speak to Elon Musk in a clear-the-air phone call. The pair traded blows on social media over claims that the US president's name appears in documents relating to disgraced financier Jeffrey Epstein. And you could become the UK's biggest ever lottery prize winner after tonight's Euro.
In just 1 hour's time.
That's right, time's a ticking. You have got just under an hour to win yourself £536,000, but it's super simple. All you got to do to get a huge 100 entries into the draw, grab your phone now, text the word 10 TEN to 61055. Text win
WIN
to 61054. Text our 250 plus your standard network rate, or you can call 03434 171 820. Calls are charged at the start. Great.
Over 18s only. Online entry and all the rules for this Rayo Network competition are at makemeawinner.co.uk. Lines close at 5 p.m. today, and then Gemma Atkinson could be calling you. Just answer your phone if she calls, and the £536,000 will hit your bank account immediately after the call.
So for your chance to win £536,000, grab your phone now. Text WIN
WIN
to 61054. That is the quickest way to enter. Good luck.
Make me a winner.